Hello teachers, this is Ratnadeep Das, teacher Air Force School Park Dogra. In this particular session, I'll be covering up how can a teacher make use of highlighter or a pencil tool or a pen tool in PowerPoint presentation or PDF file during a presentation or screen sharing in Google Meet. Just think about a teacher is teaching something with the help of PowerPoint presentation or PPT or a PDF to a student. I will start with the PowerPoint presentation first, and I will let you know how to make use of highlighter, pen or a pencil tool to make student understand in a much more better way. First of all, open the presentation. After the presentation will get open, first of all, press F5 or move to slideshow option and choose from beginning to share the whole screen or to present the PowerPoint presentation to the student. Just think about teacher want to discuss or want to focus on some important point during the class. It can be easily done by right click onto any blank area and choosing the option pointer options and then after highlighter. As soon as teacher will be choosing that, a kind of cursor will appear with a yellow color marking, and then after teacher can make use of this tool either for highlighting a particular portion or can use this particular portion to type something or writing something out onto the screen during PowerPoint presentation. In the similar way, teacher can also make use of some other tools like pen tool. If teacher will make use of pen tool, it will work in the similar way just like a highlighter tool. The highlighter tool actually mostly highlighted something and can also be used to write down something. But pencil pen tool is mostly used to write down something during the online class. Just think about I am done with this particular page and I want to continue with the next slide. You just press the down arrow. So I'll be there in my next slide. Then after, pencil appear with the help of a dot. So I can continue marking the area or just pinpoint some important points to the student such that student can also track where teacher is teaching. In the similar way, if I just simply want to continue with highlighter, so it can also be done. So highlighter is mostly used to highlight a portion the teacher want to give extra focus. So in the similar way, during the online class, teacher can make use of pointer option or to highlight a specific portion or can make use of a pen to mark some special area or specific area during the class. In the similar way, eraser tool can also be used to remove some portion that is not required, and the eraser tool works very fine. So in the similar way, teacher can continue the class in a much more better way. If a teacher does not have PowerPoint presentation, then PDF file can also be treated in the similar manner. I'm showing you how. First of all, open a PDF file with which teacher is teaching. Just consider this particular file with which teacher want to continue with. Choose the slide where you want to continue with. Choose this option at the top, that is highlight text. This option can be used to highlight a specific area where you want to continue with. For example, just think about that. During my class, I want to highlight, first of all I have to choose this option and then after I have to just select the portion that I just simply want to highlight. For example, the small portion I want to highlight, so for that time I have to just select the portion. So in this particular way, the teacher can make use of highlighter option to highlight specific area during the online class. This highlighter tool is converted into a writing tool during class also. Just think about that. Just right now it's converted into a writing tool where I can easily manage to tick or encircle a specific area. Okay, so this is the way by means of which a simple highlighter tool in PDF can be used either to highlight a specific area of my text or can be used to mark a specific area of any image. So hopefully this particular video will help you in some particular way during online teaching. Thank you very much, teachers.